everyone. In this video we will explain architecture of ArcSight. Now let's understand ArcSight architecture. So architecture means how the system is designed internally. ArcSight work in three main stages. First one is the data collection. The second one is the data processing. Third one is monitoring and alerting. So first stage is the data collection. Means logs are collected from multiple devices such as a firewall, Windows server, Linux server, application, database. Second one is a data processing. So logs from different devices are a different format. So ArcSight convert them into a common format. So this process is called normalization. Third stage is a monitoring and alerting. So once logs are standardized, correlations and rule analyze them. So if a suspicious activity is found, alerts are generated. For example, user login in India at 10 am. At 10:05 am, same user login from USA. So this is impossible travel. So ArcSight detected and alert generation. And ArcSight architecture is scalable. So if log volume increasing, system can be expanded. So think of it like a raw material processing. After that, final product. So logs correlated. Logs after that, next step is analyze, then alert. So that is the architecture of ArcSight. I hope you will understand and watching more videos related to ArcSight and related to other cybersecurity topic related videos. Thank you so much.